For today's little adventure, we are going to do the Crater 3-in-1 set 31145, the red dragon. There's also a red fish and a red bird. So let's see what we got. The eyeball, fish, dragon, bird. Dragon, fish, bird. The dragon, companies made in Denmark, Mexico, Hungary, China, and the Czech Republic. You got your Crater stuff here. And just a UPC code and stuff like that. Alright, so we're going to open up our box. And pieces. Okay. So we've got 3 bags, 3 books. The dragon one we always do first, which is the main one, because that's what it's called. Alright. So, let's start building. Alright, so we finished the dragon. Got his arms, his legs kind of come out like this, but it doesn't really stay stable that way, so he's more stable like this. Got his wings. Not sure how well you can fly with those wings. They have them like that. Okay, here we go. That looks better. We got his tail, which could be up or down. So, I think he's kind of cool looking. I like Renaissance stuff, so having a little dragon is pretty nifty. Anyway, thank you for joining us for today's little adventure. But yep, so this will be a fun one. We got 2 more to go. Alright, we are on to the bird part of the 3-in-1 Crater red dragon. So, I guess like maybe like a parrot. That's fun. Maybe like a parrot bird. So, I'm going to start building that. finished the bird. It's got the pretty tail, goes up, moves around. It's got the wings that are kind of cool. You can see its little talons. That's a pretty cool looking bird. I like it. So it's pretty nifty. Lots of pieces left over. So now we're gonna build the fish. So please join us for that. And then the fish looks like this. Little water bubbles, so that'll be interesting. You got the mouth with the bubbles, you got some fins, you got the tail, you got the little thing on top. It's kind of cute. Not one I'm going to keep in that shape. I'll probably go back to the dragon. Anyway, thank you for joining us for Days of Adventure, and be sure to next Days of Adventure.